Hey guys, how y'all doing today? This is Resin Liz. I'm not doing any resin today, but I am in Cidra, Puerto Rico. The section in Puerto Rico that I'm living in is Valle Verde, Puerto Rico. This is after Fiona hurricane. We still have no lights, but we do have water now. We was 3 days without water, and I'm showing you where we live. I came to check on my aunt and check on the properties and stuff like that. So this is our road, and coming up the road, this is my aunt's house. We're going up the road. You're gonna come with me. This is the neighbors. It used to be my grandma's house, but we sold it. We're gonna keep going up the road. This is still my aunt's house. This is the other side. The garage. Going up. Now, this is the house that I'm staying in. This is my aunt's. She's 87 years old. She still drives. She still moves around. And she's a hot mess, like her niece. This is the other house. The driveway. That's all our property down there. All of that you see. All that green grass all the way down the hill. We're going up. That's the gate going into my aunt's home. Look, all of that is our property down there. Going up. The other side of the house. I gotta open the gate, so I'm gonna pause you. Okay, I'm back. I got through the gate. Now we're going up her road. We do have a pool, but the pool is out of commission because of the storm. There's a table down there you can sit and eat and relax. We put an umbrella up so the sun doesn't eat you up. The house, the front of the house. So all of that down there is my family's property. All of that. All the way down there, that house and the blue house. These are kennels. She used to breed dogs. This is where we store the car. And I'm gonna go inside. Talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.